Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to use filtering option in SQL Server Management Studio. If you go to the SQL Server Management Studio, in Object Explorer we have several objects are there. When you are working with on any database with a large number of objects, sometimes it becomes a challenge to locate the objects. Object Explorer in SQL Server Management Studio, it will list all objects according to the category category. To resolve this, you can use the Object Explorer, provides filtering for objects. Mainly, this filtering objects is very much useful to search for tables, views, and store procedures. How to use the filtering the objects. So, if you observe the uh, Object Explorer in SQL Server Management Studio, these are the different databases I have in my SSMS. If I select the sample or adventure works tables, sometimes in real-time scenario there are n number of tables. We use it to scroll the to up and down to search for the exact table name. So instead of that, if you know the suppose I want to search for person underscore person. Uh, for this table, if I want to search, just right click and go to filter and filter settings. So here you can type just person. It will all the table that name consists having the person will filter and display the results with limited number of tables. So earlier we have seen number of tables. Here we see very limited number of tables because we filtered the condition based on the condition of the person, so that you can easily identify which table you want to get by filtering these tables. Like that, you can also use, if you want to remove the filter, just right click and remove filter. Again it will appear all tables. Okay, this is how you need to use the filter condition. Suppose in store procedures, go to programmability and click the store procedures. So here there are very few store procedures. In sometimes in their organization, in any organization, there are n number of store procedures. So at the time, developers are used to this filter option. Just right click and filtering the settings and take this. Suppose I want to get the resource. I don't know the exact name of the store procedure, but I know that the human resource is the one of the part of the name in the store procedure. So at the time, just go to right click and filter settings and mention in value human resource, and click OK. So we don't get any name and remove the filter human resources, or suppose update employee. So update employee. So I am filtering on the condition update employee or employee. Just click the employee and click OK. So you can see there are employees having the name in the store procedures. This is the um, user store procedure. USP means user store procedure. Get employee manager, and this is the store procedure related to get manager employees. USP update employee information, hire information, update employee login, all these things. So this is how this filtering option will helpful while searching something from the database. Whenever you join any new organization, so this filtering by using this filter options, you can search required table from the database and required store procedures are used from that particular database. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.